So next we can see the tree and co-trees. Okay, so what do you mean by tree? It is a connected subgraph. Okay, it consists of all nodes but no closed path. Closed path இருக்கக்கூடாது ட்ரீல. Okay, it may be in this form. Okay, tree வந்து இப்படி இருக்கலாம். Okay, closed path இருக்கக்கூடாது. That is a tree. Co-tree means it is a connected graph. It is not in the tree. ட்ரீல இருக்கிற branches co-treeல இல்லாதது. Okay, the remaining branches of the tree, that is known as the co-tree. Okay, it also known as links, cords, okay, or ties, etc. So that is known as the co-tree. Can you understand? So first one, what is the formula for finding the possible tree? Means determinant A into A transpose. Okay, determinant A into A transpose. So first we can see one problem. Find the number of trees that are possible for the graph of the network. Okay, find the number of trees or possible for the graph of the network. So it is the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, so listen, you want to draw the tree. How you can draw the tree? So listen, resistor, inductor, capacitor and voltage source are marked as in this form, a straight line or wire connection. Okay, the current source is marked as the open circuit. Okay, open current source. Okay, voltage source means short circuit, so it will be shorter. அது லைனில் மார்க் பண்ணும் நம்ம. ஓகே, ஸோ ஆர் ரெசிஸ்ட், இந்த ரெசிஸ்டிவ் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் இதெல்லாமே ஒரு லைனில் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம். கரண்ட் சோர்ஸஸ் ஓப்பன் சர்க்யூட், ஓப்பன் பண்ணி விட்டுலாம். வோல்டேஜ் சோர்ஸை வி வாண்ட் டு ஷார்ட் சர்க்யூட். ஸோ now if you see, convert the circuit diagram to the graph. So இது current, so no need to draw this current source. So next, how many nodes? 1, 2 and 3. 3 nodes they mark பண்ணி. So first here there is a resistor, so draw one line. And next inductor, okay, it is connected to the reference node, so next one line. So capacitor, draw one line. And here there is one resistor and voltage source, so draw, mark one line here. Okay, so you got a graph. You got a graph here. And next, you want to write a incident matrix. So இங்கே டைரக்ஷன் போட்டிருக்கதை இதில் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ரைட் த மார்க் த டைரக்ஷன் இன் த கிராஃப். ஓகே, இதில் இருக்க டைரக்ஷன் படி போட்டுக்கோங்க. அதர்வைஸ் யூ கேன் மார்க் எனி டைரக்ஷன். டைரக்ஷன் கொடுக்கலன்னா நீங்களே மார்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த இன்சிடென்ட்ஸ் மேட்ரிக்ஸ். ஸோ ஹவ் யூ கேன் ரைட் த இன்சிடென்ட் மேட்ரிக்ஸ்? ஸோ ஹியர் ஹவு மெனி நோட்ஸ்? 0, 1, 2. Now many branches? 4 branches. So first in 0th node, what are the branches are located? 1 and 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. So here 1 is moving outwards, okay, leaving the node, so plus 1. When it is entering means minus 1, and it is also moving outwards, so plus 1. Okay, so you want to write the incident matrix. So I had explained the incident matrix in the previous video, so please refer that. Okay, so next in node 1, what are the nodes located? Node 1 and 2. So 1 is entering and 2 is leaving. So entering means minus 1, leaving means plus 1. Okay, and next in node 2, there are 3 branches are located, 2, 3, 4. So 2 is entering, 3 is leaving and 4 is entering. So minus 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, entering minus 1, leaving plus 1. And next, reduced incident matrix means you want to remove or delete the 0th reference node. Okay, so you want to remove this value. What is the remaining value? Minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1. So it is the reduced incident matrix. Okay, so now you want to form the trees, possible trees. Okay, so in order to form the possible trees, what is the formula? Determinant of reduced incident matrix into transpose of reduced incident matrix. Okay, determinant of A transpose. So for that, what is the reduced incident matrix? Reduced incident matrix is minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 1. So write that value. And transpose means rows are changes to column and columns are changes to row. So minus 1, 0 here, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1. Okay, so now multiply this value, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 here. And the next value, okay, next value, minus 1 into 0, 0, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. So here minus 1, remaining values are 0. Next value, 0 into minus 1, 0, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. So substitute here as minus 1, remaining value is 0. And next value here, 0 into 0, 0, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into minus 1, 1. So totally 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 value here. Okay, 3. So determinant 2 minus 1 minus 1, 3. So now cross 2 3s are 6 and minus 1 minus 1 what plus 1, that is minus into 1. So what is the value? 5. So how many trees you can form from the given graph means totally you can form 5 trees. Okay, so possible trees are 5. So from this graph you can form 5 trees. So first tree, it should not have closed path. Okay, so first tree is this. That is 1 2 3. Okay, so first possible tree is 1 2 0, that's the reference node. And next one is 1 2 in the shape like 1 2 0. And next possible 1 1 2 and this fourth branch. So 1 2 and this branch including. And next one and next is the and next is you want to join 1 0 2 in this form. Okay, so in the mari evlo possible, that is you can totally make 5 possible trees. It should not have closed loop illama form panni draw pannu. So totally we have draw 5 trees. Okay, so it does not have closed loop. So idhula or line vandha closed ஆயிரும். Okay, totally 5. So now you want to write the twigs. What is twigs? The number of branches in the tree. So 1 comma 2. Here 2 comma 3. And next third one, what is the value? 2 4. So 2 4. And next in fourth tree 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And in fifth one 1 and 4. And this is known as the twigs, the number of branches in the tree. And next link. What is link? Means the number of links in the quote tree. Remaining value tree தவிர இருக்கிற மீதி உள்ளது தான் நம்ம கோட்ரின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்படி தான் மீதி உள்ள branches. So that remaining number of branches in the quote tree is known as link. So here 1 2. So remaining branches are 3 4. 2 3. Remaining branch 1 4. Here 1 3. So here remaining branch is 2 1 4. Here remaining branch 2 1 3. Okay, that's all.